Having strong, healthy nails is not just good news for your manicure. Certain symptoms could also indicate bigger health problems. Today's video will discuss 7 things that your nails says about your health. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. Eyes may be the window to the soul, but nails can offer an important glimpse into your overall health. It turns out having strong, healthy nails is not just good news for your manicure. Unpleasant nail symptoms could also indicate bigger health problems. Number 1. Yellow nails. This can happen naturally with age, but it also sometimes due to nail lacquers or acrylic nails. If you often wear acrylic nails or paint your nails and are having this problem, try taking a break from the salon and giving nails a chance to recover. Another possible cause is smoking, which can stain nails and give them a yellowish hue. Number 2. Dry, cracked or brittle nails. This issue is a common one and there are a few possible causes. Soft brittle nails can occur from dryness on the nail plate. This could be from swimming, overuse of nail polish remover, frequent dishwashing without gloves, or just from living in a low humidity environment. Other possible causes include chemicals or aging. However, if brittle nails are an ongoing problem, speak to your doctor. Sometimes hypothyroidism causes this side effect too. To soothe cracked nails, try slathering them with a super-moisturizing lotion. Like your skin, nails are absorbent and lotion can prevent them from drying out in the future. If that doesn't help you, you can also try taking biotin, an over-the-counter nutritional supplement that promotes healthy nails growth. Number 3. Clubbing. Clubbing of the nails. When the ends of your fingers swell and nails become curved and rounded can sometimes be a sign of liver or kidney disease. If you are experiencing this, speak to your doctor. Number 4. White spots. Many people believe that white spots on nails indicate a calcium deficiency, but this is not typically the case. Usually those white spots are not very significant. They are often the result of minor trauma, such as if you work your finger against something, and are not generally to do with calcium. Number 5. Horizontal ridges. I sometimes see transverse ridges on nails, typically the result of direct trauma to the nails or a more serious illness, in which case you will see it on more than one nail at a time. The reason, when your body is working overtime to combat an illness, it saves its energy for the important stuff. Your body is literally saying, I have got better things to do than make nails, and pauses their growth. Another possible cause for those side-to-side ridges, horizontal lines across a nail plate, can also be caused by a drug reaction. For example, if the patient recently had chemotherapy. Number 6. Spoon nails. Spoon nails refer to a very thin nail which has become concave in shape. This is usually a sign of iron deficiency, anemia. It can be treated with iron supplements. Pitting. Speak to your doctor if your nails are covered with pits or dents, as this could be a sign that you have cirrhosis. What do you think of this important information? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.